So here on the inside of the leg, on both sides, we see running the fire meridians, which have to do with trust. Here on top we have the lung meridian, which runs more or less a center line down. Here on the right hand side we see that the meridian has moved its position, so it is no longer in the center line as would be normal. See here that there's also a little bit of tissue damage, and I asked also, and apparently this knee was quite badly infected and antibiotics had to be taken, so it can be that the meridian moved to avoid the infected areas. I talked about this before, that when an area is damaged or infected, there's a bad energy there. First thing which happens is that the meridian will stop flowing. Second thing which happens is that it will avoid the area to prevent the bad energy spreading and infecting the rest of the energy body. So that's probably the reason why this happened. So this is another case where moxa might need to be applied. Here to the side of the leg, also in white, we have the large intestine meridian. It's the same on the other side. And here on the right hand side of the body we have the wood meridians, which are running here to the side of the leg, and on the other side, more or less on the same location, we have the earth meridians. So here we have the water meridians running down the left hand leg. So again on the inside here we have the bladder meridian running down, and on the outside we have the kidney meridian running down. And I'll now show you the right hand leg. Here on the right leg we see an interesting phenomenon. So the meridians start out kind of normal, but what we see here is that the bladder meridian crosses over to the outside of the body and then tries to get back to its normal path, while the kidney meridian actually moves inward a bit. So here we can see again around the damaged knee area that the meridians have become a little bit disrupted, slightly below the knee, where also the lung meridian was disrupted. So this is an area which will also require some healing to get the ability of the body to just conduct energies restored again, so these meridians can normalize. Because if I'm also trying to feel into this area which is avoided, this is again a very chaotic area here on the inside of the knee. So that makes it impossible for the energies to flow through, and that will also complicate the healing of such an area if there's not sufficient life force flow.